Before installing this mount, please make sure you read the manual thoroughly. Tool check.
To install this product, you will need an electric drill, a 7/32" drill bit, a 1/2" wrench or socket, a Phillips screwdriver, a level, a tape measure or ruler, a pencil, and an electronic stud finder. It's also a good idea to have an awl or small nail to verify stud locations.
Parts check. Check carefully to make sure there are no missing or damaged parts. Depending on your installation, you may not need every part provided. If any parts are missing or damaged, contact customer service by calling 1-800-359-5520 to have the part sent directly to you. Step 1. Attach the TV brackets to the back of your TV. First, determine the screw diameter your television requires. Hand thread a screw into the insert on the back of the TV. If you encounter any resistance, stop and select another screw diameter until you have the correct size. The long screws should only be used with spacers, or they could crack the TV case or damage your TV's internal components. For TVs with a flat back, proceed to Step 1-1. If you have a TV with an irregular back or you need extra space to accommodate cables, recesses, or protrusions, proceed to Step 1-2. The following steps only outline standard configurations. If you have a special application, contact customer service at 1-800-359-5520.
Step 1-1. Attach the TV bracket to a TV with a flat back. Position the TV bracket on the back of the TV and ensure it is level. Thread the short bolt through the appropriate flat washer, followed by the bracket, and finally into the TV. Tighten the bolt with a Phillips screwdriver. Step 1-2. Attach the TV bracket to a TV with a curved back or obstruction. Position the TV bracket on the back of the TV and ensure it is level. Thread the long bolt through the appropriate flat washer and the bracket. Add the appropriate spacer between the bracket and the TV. Thread the bolt through the spacer and into the TV. Tighten the bolt with a Phillips screwdriver. Step 2. Attach the ceiling plate and pillar to the ceiling. Please note, for safe installation, the wood joist size must be 2x4 inches or larger, and any drywall or other wall covering material may not exceed 5/8 an inch in thickness. Use an electronic stud finder to locate and mark a joist. At this time, it's a good idea to verify joist location with an awl or thin nail. Taking into consideration the overall size of your TV, hold the ceiling plate and pillar against the ceiling to verify the correct location for your mount. Mark 2 hole locations with a pencil. After you have marked the hole locations, use the 7/32" drill bit to drill the 2 hole locations to a depth of 2.5 inches. Attach the ceiling plate and pillar using the 2 leg bolts and leg bolt washers. Tighten the bolts with a socket wrench. Do not over-tighten the bolts. Attach the ceiling cover by pressing it onto the ceiling plate. Step 3. Adjust the connector height and attach the TV to the pillar. Caution: do not adjust the connector height with the TV attached. If the height of the connector needs to be adjusted, loosen the bolts on the connector with the Phillips screwdriver and move the connector up or down on the pillar. When the desired connector height is achieved, retighten the bolts. Please note, before proceeding, verify the pillar and TV brackets are firmly fixed to the ceiling and the back of the TV respectively. With the help of an assistant, attach the TV to the pillar. The slot on the TV bracket assembly head will slide onto the tab on the connector. Thread the safety bolt into the hole on the bottom of the TV bracket assembly head and tighten with a Phillips screwdriver. Step 4. Adjust the tension knob and attach the back cover. To adjust the motion tension, tighten or loosen the knob on the TV bracket assembly head until you reach your desired tension. Route your cables through the pillar and into the ceiling cover. Then attach the back cover to the back of the pillar by snapping it into place. You are now ready to enjoy your newly mounted flat panel television. Thank you for your interest in this Sanus flat panel TV wall mount. If you have any problems with this product or have questions about installation, please do not return it to the store. Instead, contact customer service at 1-800-359-5520.